This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
With all the fuss about craft beer, it's easy to forget that coolant is almost craft coolant for some vehicles. Think about it. The coolant is tuned for the pH. In other words, it's designed to keep the pH in a certain range for the engine so there's no corrosion in the head, block, or radiator. Another thing to consider, specific gravity. It's important to beer, even more important to coolant. If you don't have the right specific gravity for the coolant, it's going to affect a couple different things. Number one, the freezing point. Number two, it could affect cavitation in the water pump and also the block itself. The other thing to consider is that coolant is tuned for the gaskets in the engine. The wrong coolant can damage some gaskets that mate the head to the block. Coolant, yeah, it's craft for the engine. In other words, it's designed for everything inside and to work for up to 100,000 miles in some applications. So, be mindful when you're replacing it that you select the correct coolant from the shelf. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.